Hello, does anybody know the sound of a giraffe or a sound of a crocodile? Maybe some of you don't know the sound, and I myself didn't know the sound of a giraffe and a crocodile until I bought this book for my son. Yeah, so I believe that many of you, a lot of you might have not known the sounds of these animals before too. And my video today is to show you one of the good books that you can use to teach the sound, the words, and the activities of the animals to your students or to your kids. So the book has different pictures and some short sentences to show the characteristic of each animal and also the sound of them. For example, a snake, it says here that here come some scaly snakes, they slither and slide along, hiss. So this is the picture of the snake and some sentences and the sound. And this one, you can press it to hear the sound. So as you can see, the book is very interesting, and this is the crocodile, and it says here that a crocodile wades into the water with a waddle. So now I press the sound of a crocodile for you to hear. Yeah, so it sounds like that. And one more animal that you might have never known before too is this one. It's this one here. Do you know what animal it is? It's called a meerkat. A meerkat stands guard, always on the lookout for danger. So for me, honestly, I didn't know the name of this animal. At first, I thought it was a squirrel, but actually it's not a squirrel at all. It just looks similar to a squirrel. And the sound of it is something like this. So this book is very useful for your kids who are at the age of 2 or 2 years old and a half until 3 years old. So you can start buying this book and use it with your kids as soon as possible, or even like the kids who are just 1 year, you can just show your kids the picture and press the sound for your kids to listen, to get used to it.